Dear students, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Today I am going to see one question on lines and angles. Okay, here it is small representation of it is in lines and angle. Two parallel lines are there and one transversal line it will there. So the same thing I have drawn here. So what is this? Here two parallel lines. Parallel lines means what? It never meets, right? And this is a transversal line, and this transversal line, it cuts the two parallel lines, right? So by having only one angle, it is 60 degree, it is acute angle, you know. So using this angle, I am going to find all these angles, this, all the angles I am going to find. Okay, let's see how I am going to find all other angle by using only one angle, 60 degree you have it. Let's see guys. So I can name the angles here first of all. It is like A, B, C, D, E, F and G. Alright, so I am going to find all the value of A, B, C, D, E, F, G I am going to find now. Let's see now. First of all, what is given here? It is 60 degree, one angle they have given it. Okay, fine. In this here, 60 degree it is here. Vertically opposite angles are equal. First thing I am going to tell you, the first property I am going to tell you, it is vertically opposite angles are equal means it's a cross mark. Cross mark means, you know, this one, this is a cross mark. Here again cross mark, right? So this angle is equal to this angle. I mean this angle is equal to this angle. Come here, let's see this one. See, again here also two parallel lines are there. This is a transversal line. I am telling you this angle is equal to this angle. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Here also I am telling that very same here. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay, fine. So what angle I have here? See here. See this diagram? 60 degree it is there. So what is this angle? It is refers 60 degree. So what is this here then? This angle is also 60 degree, right? So I got B is equal to 60 degree. You got it now? Alright. So whatever it is, E is equal to G and A is equal to C and D is equal to F. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay. And next property I am going to tell you in this linear pair. Okay. What is linear pair? If it is straight line, it is there. This is a one angle forming in the straight line. So these two angles, whenever adding it, this is 180 degree it forms. Alright. So this is, if it is like a 50 degree, if it is there means how much it will be? 130 degree. Because 180 minus 50 degree is 130 degree. Alright. So what is the name we can call for it? Means this is linear pair. Linear pair means whenever two angles, if you are adding it, if you are getting 180 degree, then it is a linear pair. In the straight line it should be. The straight line you know, right? The straight line protractor you put it. The protractor you put it. What is this? Starting from 0. It is winding from 180, right? So from here it is 60 degree. The remaining is how much it will be then? The remaining is how much? So 180 minus 60. It will be here 120 degree it is. This is 120 degree. Okay. So 60 plus 120 is 180 degree. Correct then. So again the same thing I am going to do here. What is this? Vertically opposite angles are equal. These two are equal here. Okay ma. So these two are equal. So again this is 120 degree. This is also 120 degree then. 120 degree, this is also 120. Vertically opposite angles are here equal. Again the same property I am using. The first property what I used here, vertically opposite angles are equal, and second one what I told, this is a linear pair. Alright. By using this four angles only I can find all other angle also. Okay. And what is the one more it is, co-interior angles are supplementary. Supplementary means 180 degree. The other name of supplementary is 180 degree. The co-interior angles are 180 degree guys. What is co-interior? Co-interior means this is inner angle. See that? You can see that F thing, F here. Okay. So this angle and this angle together it forms 180 degree. See, I'm representing here it is. See this. These two angles is 180 degree. Okay. This name we can call it as co-interior angles or supplementary 180 degree it is. So here it is, we know that 120 degree already we know. What is this angle then? 120 plus 180 minus 120 is 60 degree. So this is 60 degree. This is 60 degree. Okay. So remaining we will be getting all 60 means this also 60. Correct? This also 60. Again linear pair 120 and this also 120. Okay, fine. This way also we can do. In another, all the properties I am going to tell you in this same question. So one more property also I am going to tell you. What does this means? Corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles means this angle is equal to this angle. Corresponding angles are equal. This and this are equal. Okay, even this and this are equal. This and this are equal. Okay. So, corresponding angles are equal means, see here, this is 60 degree, right? This also 60 degree then. This is 120 degree. This also 120 degree then. This is 120 degree. This also what? 120 degree. This 60 degree. This also 60 degree. I got it. Corresponding angles are equal. In this way, you can form it. And one more property also I am going to tell you. So anyway, we found all the angles, right? Still one more property I am going to tell you in this. So what is that means? Alternate angles are equal. Can you see here? This one, see 60 degree, this also 60 degree. 120 degree, here also 120. 120, here 120. This 60 is 60. In sense, alternate interior angles are equal. 60 here 60. Interior means it will be inside. Exterior means it's outside. Right? Alternate angles are equal. See, here I am telling. This both are equal. This and this are equal. Okay? This and this are equal. See again what I am telling. Here one angle is here. Again here you can see here. Now this full is 180, right? This full will be 180, right? That's what I am telling. This green color part, this angle is equal to this angle. Alternate angles are equal. That's what I am telling you. Anyway, it is 180 degree. This 180 degree. So this part is coming to here. This part is coming to here. So whenever you are adding two angles, you will be getting 180 degree. It is. That's what co-interior angles are 180 degree. And alternate angles are equal here. This and this are equal, and this and green part are equal here. This angle and this angle are equal, and this angle and this angle are equal. So again I am telling you the very simple thing. First only one value, any one value from here, any one value they will be giving. Okay, from using that one angle you are going to find all other angles very easily. Okay, actually you have like 2 or 3 properties enough for this. So anyways, for the purpose I am telling, all the properties you have to know. Whenever you are doing many problems, you will be getting right. So first of all, I am telling you what is the things we have seen here. Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles or equal. Vertically opposite angle means what? Cross mark. This is equal to 60 is equal to 60. Again 120 is equal to 120. In that way it is. This is again. This is 120 is vertically opposite angle equal. Again here also vertically opposite angles are equal. This one, where is this? This is vertically opposite of being equal. Again these both are vertically opposite. So I think you understand now better you understand, right? Okay, so this is a vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay, and then what? Next what I told, linear pair. Linear pair means what? In one line, if you are adding two angles, it should be like 180 degree. So if these two angles if you are adding 180, these two angles if you are adding 180, these two 180, in that way it will be, this is a linear pair we'll call. And one more, what I told next, third one is corresponding angles. Corresponding angle means corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles means this violet part and the green, yellow part, this and this are equal, this and this. In sense what? Here you can see 60 degree is equal to 60 degree. This angle is equal to this angle. This angle is equal to this angle. Okay. So these corresponding angles are equal, and the fourth one will be alternate angles are equal. Alternate angles are equal, and the fifth one I told co-interior angles. Co-interior angle or supplementary. Supplementary means it is 180 degree. Co-interior means what I told here, this is this part and this part. This is green part and this one will be 180 degree. Again this and this will be 180 degree. This and this are equal. This and this are equal. This and this and this will be what? Co-interior means it is like a exterior angle, it is like a 180 degree it will be then. 120 plus 60, you know, it is like a 180 degree. 60 plus 120 is 180 degree. In that way it will be. Alternate angles I already told. Alternate angle means these both are equal. These both are equal. 60 alternate exterior angle, these both are equal, and this both are equal. Okay. So that's all guys. So by using these all properties, you can do any of the problem from your book. So if any doubts, just ask me in the comment. Thank you.